In the serene hermitage of Sage Kanva, Shakuntala grew up surrounded by the peace and beauty of nature. Lovingly raised by Sage Kanva, she learned the values of compassion, dharma, and the importance of harmony with all living beings. Shakuntala formed a deep connection with the forest, tending to the animals, nurturing the plants, and embracing the beauty of her surroundings. Her nurturing relationship with nature shaped her into a graceful and kind-hearted young woman. Always accompanied by her closest friends Priyamvada and Anasuya, Shakuntala blossomed into a beautiful and compassionate young woman. Though she was a beloved daughter of the forest, Shakuntala remained dutiful to her foster father, Sage Kanva, helping with daily chores and maintaining the peaceful life of the hermitage.